Young Shay on the beat, Young Shay on the beat, Said we sitting in the car and it's Shay's birthday. We about to go play. How old is Hay? He's 13, and yes, he still looks very mean. He's messing up on the beat, but I'ma still keep going, cause I'm a rapper, and you guys ain't knowing. Got balloons on my head, call me Balloon Head, and yeah, I get that money, all I get is bread. I got this red shirt on, you would swear I was a blood, but I'm crippin' over here, that's why I call you niggas, cause all these balloons, they making me claustrophobic, and I'm about to go eat me a root beer float, bitch! Shay's birthday. Tell him your name. What's your name? Huh? Baludi. What's your name? Baludi. His name is Shay. Baludi. His name is Shay. Baludi. Okay, he's acting over here, got balloons in his face, ain't trying to tell us his birthday. Well, it's today. What? Yeah, April 16th, born in 2000, so he's only 13, but you know he's really cool. Yeah, he's my little bro. I'm rapping on this beat, showing him how I flow. Yeah, I'm really going in for my brother's birthday, so all you guys better tell him, hey, happy birthday, Shay. Woo, 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 woo. Happy birthday, Shay. Woo, 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 woo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah, that's right. I said it. It's his fucking birthday, boy. Smack. Shout out to my little nigga Shay. It's his birthday. You know, he out here doing his stuff. This was 13, boy. Was really good, boy. Shout out to that nigga DeAndre D Nasty. She's nice on the beat. She's real fresh. She got them bars like stars, and Mars got cars. Boy, was really good. See me. MySpace. Twitter, Instagram, @DNastyBoy. 3 E's, 3 A's. You better get at me. All right, then. 1.